Hey guys, my name is Max and welcome to my movie channel. I'm gonna do an unboxing today of a tool that I just bought from Matco Tool Company. I have it right here. I'm actually in line at KFC. Stands for Kitchen Fresh Chicken, not Kentucky Fried Chicken. There is a lawn service doing work next to me. It is annoying, the noise, but bear with me. I'm cutting open the package with the Cold Steel AK-47 knife, which is an amazing knife, by the way. Hey, yeah, right, buddy. Trying to jump me in line? Get to the back, boy. Okay, anyways, the box is now open. I know you guys really can't see it here, but here it is right here. Bag in a box. Gotta get this thing open. Hold on one second, guys. Unreal. That's a tough bag right here. Okay, cool. So we got that open. I'm gonna probably go over a lot of the other tools that I've picked up. I just haven't made any videos on it, but here it is, guys. The Matco 3/8 15-inch locking flex head. 88 teeth. That's really good. You see it right there. It says 88. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but right there. Here's the locking aspect of it. Hold on. It's actually a little. We're moving up now. It's actually a little stiff right out of the box. So you can actually get it in any of these positions here and lock it in. So let's say, for example, you're at an off angle. You got to get a bolt that's, in an off angle. You just lock it in here with this, and it's locked in. It's not going to be moving and flopping around like some of the other flex heads. I know that Snap-on has, pretty much a lot of people have locking flex heads. I get a 50% discount with Matco, so that's kind of why I go with Matco. I also get a discount with Snap-on because I'm a student. But damn, this thing is locked up, bro. It's gonna take a minute for that action to get smoother on the locking portion of it. Hold on one second. Sorry guys, I'm trying to drive. Go here, go there. But yeah, this is really good. I'm really happy. It's 15 inches. I got the green. Kind of goes with my toolbox as well. I got green socket organizers. Pretty much green as much as I can get green. Let's see here. As far as the reverse, this would be to put on a bolt and then, that's actually pretty smooth to loosen the bolts up. So that's smooth. This one is, that's actually, the more you work it, the smoother it's gonna get. So yeah, pretty happy with it. If you guys want a part number, by the way, this thing is made in America. Don't know if you can see it right there. Matco, if you guys want a part number, I'll just read it to you. It's BFR 158 LFG. I'm assuming that the LFG is locking flex head green. And BFR, who the hell knows? I don't know. But really excited to have this. Looks really good. I actually wasn't sure if I was going to get the 18-inch or the 15-inch. I decided to go with the 15-inch. And I honestly feel like I made a really good decision. This will probably be my everyday use ratchet once I get working in a shop. I got the soft comfort grip. They also have one that's non-comfort grip if you so prefer. And with those, you can actually slip a cheater bar on top of the ends of it, and you can use it for extra leverage. But I honestly, with something like this, I wouldn't want to damage the teeth in the actual ratchet head. I would just grab like a cheater bar and then put a pipe on top of that. But yeah, really excited to have this. Again, this is just one of the Matco tools that I've got. I'm going to put up another video soon, relatively soon, of some of the other Matco tools that I've been purchasing. Sorry for the shaky cam, and sorry for the, ambiance of the video, waiting to get chicken. Oh, and I did get some Starbucks, man. I love Starbucks. I used to work at Starbucks for 6 years. This here is a triple ice blonde espresso, 2 white mocha, 1 toffee nut. They're coming out with chestnut praline, which is my all-time favorite flavor to combine with the white mocha, but not for a couple of weeks. So anyways, really cool, really good. Gonna go back. I'm gonna make more videos on pretty much everything that I've been purchasing, and more videos to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.